Everyone wants money. Everyone talks about success. But most people will die broke. Not because they weren't smart, but because they were comfortable. Comfort kills more dreams than failure ever will. Stop chasing motivation. Start building momentum. The system doesn't want you rich, it wants you busy. You trade 40 hours for a paycheck, then spend it escaping the life that paycheck built. The ones who break free stop trading hours and start trading value. One phone and an idea can out-earn a degree. The richest people aren't following rules, they're rewriting them. Every post, every AI tool, every small skill is a potential income stream. The alpha mindset isn't about being better. It's about refusing to settle for average. Post when no one's watching. Build when no one believes. You don't need permission, just discipline. People say AI is taking jobs. The smart ones use AI to build empires. The gap between poor and rich isn't luck, it's leverage. AI doesn't replace hard work, it amplifies it. Tonight, while others scroll, work on your dream for 1 hour. Tomorrow, do it again. In 90 days, you won't recognize yourself. Average people quit when they're tired. Alphas keep going until they win. If this hit you, it's because you know you're built for more. This is your wake-up call. Welcome to the Alpha Hustle Zone, where comfort ends and domination begins. Like, subscribe, and lock in. We're just getting started.